Hey, welcome to Drush and Site Aliases. Um, I started this website a few months ago for, I think it was originally for a DDev tutorial. So it is over here, and if you've seen some of those videos. It's called Droops, and I've built up this mess through blocks and views and the feeds module and Tailwind, I think. But anyway, this is it live at firsttrillionaire.xyz, and the song is played. So the next step is setting up a site alias so I can interact with the live site from my terminal. So drush is the prerequisite. However, I'm using DDev, so let's get right into the container. So we can just run drush like that. All right, so if we do a drush SA, no site alias is found. We scroll up here. S. Site alias right there, SA. So I just use this the short form SA instead of site alias, which is the same thing. No alias is found. Now, what is a site alias? I probably should have started with that. I'm a little rusty. DDev. No, drush. Site aliases. Right there. See? I was looking at it. That's about all I can say. So, site alias is basic usage. In its most basic form, the drush site alias feature provides a way for teams to share short names that refer to the live and staging sites, usually remote, for a given Drupal site. So, yes, this is live at firsttrillionaire.xyz in this tab over here. And we are in bar www first-trillionaire. Now, this is the local site we have right there, and no site aliases. All right, now we're caught up. Let's see. Now, to create a site alias, we're going to have to create a couple directories. Again, we are in project root. There's web right there, but we're not going into web. We're going to stay in the root. We're going to make dir drush. Let's go right in there. I could have created that in one command, but nope, not today. Drush sites. So now we can go into sites. Nothing in there. See? We can dim self.site.whammo. And we're just going to go ahead and copy and paste the live because I don't have a staging for it. Don't want one. Don't care. Oops, I hit it. My keyboard's a little off here. I'm in a temporary awful setup. I'm just going to update this for first. And there. XYZ. Yeah. And then we are going to change the root to bar www-first-. I guess that's funny on a dash at some point. The user is not www. And it is me, Russell. SS. And the host is the same as this. Oh my goodness. Again. Try that one more time. B $, Y, copy. I think I put not O. I. Oh no. I want to paste it there. Okay. Save it. Now we have the site alias. I don't know why I'm using my finger. There's live. It's called live. Okay, live. Now, the host is firsttrillionaire.xyz, which resolves to an IP, of course, and the user is myself. The root is var www first-trillionaire, which is right there. I do a pwd. You can see it in right up here. Boom. And then the URL. Simple as that. I've already set up, obviously, it's set up right here, right? Nginx and certbot and all that. So if we get out of here and run drush sa again, we now have self.live. I believe we can just chop off the self part and use live. If we go, let's say we want to clear the cache just on our local droops.ddev.site, we do a drush cr, right? Cache rebuild complete. And I believe if we do a self without anything, it does the same thing. But if we do at live cr, it will clear the cache on our now self.live. And there you have it. Cache rebuild complete. Connection to firsttrillionaire.xyz closed. It's that simple to set up a site alias if you already have an SSH key set up like I do. If not, well, sucks to be you. You can ask me. Maybe I'll check it out. Just kidding. I will. I never thought of that before I started the video, but I'm not re-recording. So that's all you get for today. I needed to make a video real bad. And I'll see you later.